Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create an Amazon seller account. To start, visit sellercentral.amazon.com. Then click on sign up. As we are creating a new account, so click on create your Amazon account. Now type your full name, enter your email, create a password, confirm your password by re-entering, and click on next. Now you will receive a one-time password on your email. Enter that OTP and click on Verify. Now type your mobile number and click on Add mobile number. Now you will receive a one-time password on your added mobile number. Enter that OTP and click on Create your Amazon account. Re-enter your mobile number and choose how would you like to receive OTP in the future. Choose it accordingly and click on Continue. Now Amazon will ask you a few questions regarding your business. So just click on Get Started. The first question is, where is your business registered? If you don't have a business, enter your country of residence. I am entering my country of residence because currently I don't have a registered business. You enter yours accordingly. Then click on Save and Continue. Now the second question is, what type of business do you have? I choose individual. I don't have a registered business. You choose yours accordingly and then click on Save and Continue. Before proceeding, double check these information because as you proceed, you will not be able to come back and change this information. Also, if you are a non-US resident and you have a registered LLC in the United States, still don't choose business location United States and don't choose private owned business. You know why? Because when you choose these, at the end, Amazon will ask you to verify your business address by uploading the electricity bill or mobile bill of that address. Being as a non-resident, we don't have one. And as I told you earlier, you will not be able to come back here and change this information. So therefore, answer these questions carefully. For now, I am confirming my information and click on Agree and Continue. After this, rest of the process is straightforward. Now you have to fill this form and upload the documents. Type your first name, your last name, enter your country of citizenship, enter your country of birth, enter your date of birth. Now, here I have two options, national identity and passport. So I am going with the passport. So as you choose the ID type, you will get this option to upload the document. So now enter which country issue. So my passport is issued by Pakistan. So I will enter Pakistan here. Then enter the passport number and date of expiry of the ID. So my passport ID, for example, is this. Expiry date is this one. Now click on upload the documents. It will tell about some instruction. How should be the document? Then click on continue, upload it. Similarly, upload the other one. After uploading the documents, just click on next. Now it will ask you for your payment information. For example, if you are adding your credit card, so type the name which is on your credit card, type your credit card number here, and put your security code here. Then click on add your card. After adding your card, you will land on the page where you have to add your store information. For example, I am entering my store name as eComputer Hub. Do you have universal product? So I don't have, and maybe for most of you, you don't have this. And similarly, do you own a brand? I don't own a brand. So choose these and click on next. Now, this is the verification part. What you have entered, just thoroughly check that it's correct. Just scroll down a bit and check all the detail. And if you are satisfied that all the enter information are correct, just click on next. Now, here you have to add a payout method where uh, Amazon will deposit your amount once you sell things through Amazon. So choose your country and then scroll down, enter the account holder name, the bank branch number, the account number, re-enter account number, scroll a bit down and set deposit method. Now, after adding your payout method, just continue. And this is the part. Now Amazon will ask you to verify all those things you have uploaded. Now, so this is the identification part. So before starting identification, you must have your passport or ID which you uploaded. So that now Amazon will ask you and you have to take some screenshot using your mobile camera or laptop camera so that Amazon verify. So let's start. Now, what country is your government ID from? So it should be the same what you have and what you enter. So I'm from Pakistan. I choose Pakistan, then select. I uploaded passport. So now I'm choosing passport. Now we have to take some picture of the passport here. Click here. It gives you some instruction how to capture the picture. So just continue. If you want to read it, read it. Now what you have to do, you have to fit your information page here, and once you think it's readable, just take a photo. Then next, it will ask you to add the signature page of the passport. Again, you have to make it visible and just take a photo. Now it will take a while processing your ID. As it processes, you will be forwarded to take your photo. So just take my photo. Now center yourself here, and as you are centered, take a photo. And with this, you are done.